Afforai is created to help you with every stage of your research project. To get started, click Login and fill in your account info. First thing you'll see is our reference manager, where you can upload all of your research papers and materials in multiple formats. In this demo, I'm going to upload 3 of my research papers to get started. And every time you upload a research paper, we have something that we created called the citation engine to auto-scrape and fill the metadata so that you can use this to create a citation or a reference later on when you write your paper. The next stage of research requires a researcher to actually read the file. So we created Afforai Notebook, which is our file annotator that integrates AI. What you just saw is how Afforai allows you to do a text highlight and call an AI to explain what that means. You can also do an area highlight to leave a note to yourself, to a professor, tag someone that you collaborate with, or also call an AI such as GPT-4 to explain what the table means. This is where it's going to get very interesting. We're going to dive into the Afforai AI Research Assistant, where we designed 3 different modes to assist researchers in their work. First is called Semantic Scholar Mode, where we help researchers discover more papers along the topic that they are researching in. Afforai will now search through Semantic Scholar database, which have over 200 million research papers, to find the most relevant papers that you ask for. Data sources section will show you the entire list of all the papers that Afforai found that are most relevant to your prompt. Then you can click View to view all the papers on their website, or one-click upload directly into Afforai Reference Manager if the paper is open access. As your reference library grows bigger and bigger, we also develop tagging, which is our highly requested feature to help you better organize and filter by tags. We're now going to explore the second mode called the document retrieval mode that we developed for the AI research assistant. This document retrieval mode is specialized to help you research, extract insight, compare findings between all of your research papers and only from your research papers. And this is the output comparing the findings between the 2 papers. And Afforai will always give you citations showing you exactly where the information comes from. We're now going to move on to the final stage, bringing all of the things that we've done in the last 2 minutes into the final stage of a research project, which is to actually write the paper. So I like to introduce to the Afforai site extension in Microsoft Word. And what I just did there is copy pasting the insights that I got from the AI research assistant. And you can now easily one-click insert citation on any papers and documents that you have in your reference manager. And Afforai supports over 10,000 citation styles, ensuring that you meet the academic standard. And at the end, after you finish writing your research paper, you can easily one-click create your bibliography containing all the citations that you have referenced in the paper.